Alright, in this video I would like to show you how to download GeoGebra and install it on your computer. Alright, so first we type www.geogebra.org. Then you come to this website, and we can go to GeoGebra download here. We want to download it, so we're gonna click on download. All right, then my favorite one is Classic 5. You could use the Classic 6, but I like Classic 5 better. So I'm gonna just use since I'm using a Windows machine, so I'm gonna click on Windows. All right, then you can see that download already started. So I'm gonna come back when it's finished. All right, now download is finished, so I'm gonna just click on that. And all right, so we set yes. All right, then here, so English next. So we agree. All right, then I'll do a standard installation, so install. All right, so it's going to take a while, so I'll come back when it's finished. All right, it's finished. It didn't take too long. It probably took a couple minutes. And here, then we just click finish. All right. Then you probably see, or actually it's starting up already. All right, you can see that the GeoGebra is starting up. All right, so this is GeoGebra. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.